And we are back again, fam, with another FOMC decision to change the entire economy, the stocks, crypto, more blood on the streets, but actually not from crypto per se, not from Bitcoin, because we have seen the resilience from Bitcoin in the past couple of months after all the FOMC meetings, after all the CPI data releases, after all of the FOMC meeting minutes. And the price has been steady and really nice, consolidated, and even giving us a couple of pumps here and there. But you know what has not been steady here and there? You're seeing it on the screen, the real effect of what the Fed is doing. Some of them, they're bailing them out with the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, the President of the United States, the chair of the CFTC, and Jerome Powell. Pretty insane, right? How they want to keep always clear. But when it comes to the reality, is like, are they too big to fail? Who, guys? Who are you talking, Oscar? Well, the banks. Because we have high inflation, we have bank failures, and this decision seems to be affecting the two of them. It's not an easy scenario per se. Hearing Charles Hoskinson, hearing other, even Chris from crypto.com, the two of them giving me vibes of they don't want to be in the shoes of lawmakers, on the people who are making decisions about the economy, because it's not an easy task per se, but here it is. And today, it's going to be 90% likely to be at 25 basis point when you start seeing more growth in decelerating the inflation we have in the economy due to all the money supply we had and the quantitative easing we had years ago, finally quantitative tightening. But here's the deal. More bank failures we've had, and it's just shocking to see a chart like this when all of these banks were doing perfectly fine during the pandemic and after the pandemic. But now that there's a now different strategy from the Fed, increasing the rates to obviously cool down the economy, they are failing. And guess what's going on? And here's the perfect time for me to bring this: Bitcoin. Because in all of this time, I'm gonna go ahead and get my marker. In all of this time right here, we've seen the price of Bitcoin steady, consolidated well, and this is the day, guys. But going to the week or so, you will see that it's been a while since we haven't put 26,000. Finally, we are here, and we've gone through a couple of other CPI data, FOMC meetings, right? And in my opinion, guys, this is not gonna make much of a difference. This is not gonna be under the major support we had. Typically, with bad news in Bitcoin, we go down about 5%. That's roughly $1,500. And from the price right here of 28, that's not really gonna give us all the 6-7% we need to break $2,000 less, right? To 26.5, which we haven't seen since March 28. So, it's been April, an entire month for that. So, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be too concerned with what the FOMC is going to do today. Once we release it, I'll be live. I want to see all the reaction, the live movements, right? Because with all of this time, I think the experience speaks for itself. What just going to be a sell-off, a pump, that's weird, right? Depending on what he says. When I have the release, which could be already out right now, likely to be 25, then the press conference, then some comments, and that's it. Until the next one, until this May CPI data report, when it's probably going to be much in favor of us, when CPI is going to come down at the expense of some banks failing. It is what it is, fam. But yeah, if you needed to know what this means for the economy and your crypto wallet, your crypto portfolio, it means that the long blue chips are not rallying right now due to all the mess, including the economy, CBDC coming up summer 2023, and a bunch of different things that are really pushing down adoption mainstream. But on the other hand, we see how some Ethereum whales are tired of waiting, creating and launching some meme coins, letting it ride, getting crazy with liquidity and listings. Obviously, everybody buying, the price skyrocketing. So the blue chips are down, but the meme coins are having a great time. That symbolizes to me desperation in the market for some holders that have a lot of money. They create this, they manufacture them. Some of them have good intentions, some of them are complete rug pulls, and that's it. We'll let the market decide, buyers and sellers, a free market. So I think you can tell how Bitcoin, regardless, still steady. Some of the good altcoins still steady. And what happens here, I'm just hoping soon, 2023, the Fed is going to change to pausing at least a couple of those hike rates. Because once we see the first pause, meaning no hike increase, that is going to be the beginning of a major Bitcoin pump. Walk my words. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the live. Peace.